So I fell asleep with my makeup on last night, and that's not something I like doing. For the first time since I stopped my hiatus of smoking weed, I got like way too messed up. I didn't like the feeling, and it kind of like reminded me a little bit of why I took a little break in the first place. Obviously I struggle with like addiction and stuff. It made me realize that maybe I should take a break again. I don't know like what the point of me sharing all this is. It happened. I can't change it. Definitely I don't want to smoke again today. I want to see how long I could go without for a little while again. But with that being said, it is 7:40. Today is a new day. My head is still super sore from getting the cyst on my scalp removed. I'm gonna wash my hair today finally, so it's not gonna be disgusting anymore. And I'm back from the dentist. Teeth are clean. My hair is finally clean. I finally feel like a little bit of a human being again. It's 11:30. I got out of bed before 8 o'clock. I journaled a page. While I was at the dentist, waiting in the waiting room, I did my guided meditation. And this morning I read 10 pages and I started my Duolingo, but I didn't finish it yet. So I'm gonna make myself some much needed coffee and finish that. Coffee is made, hair is brushed, coffee is hitting the spot, but I'm really just not feeling myself mentally. I normally go out on Wednesday nights with my friends, but I feel really drained. Like the past few days, I've done a lot. I've forced myself to get my steps in, and then I take a few hits of a joint and I enjoy myself and relax, and that's a good thing. It's nice that I'm allowing myself to relax, but I feel like, you know, it's possible to relax without it, and there's nothing wrong with relaxing with it, and I need to learn how to relax without. So I finally gave myself grace to relax while I was using, which I wasn't doing that before. But now I need to just relax without. And then maybe in the future, I can bring things back in another way. But in my reflecting and everything, that is just what I have come to terms with. So today is just day one again, resetting. That's okay. I mean, I don't know what the point I'm trying to get across is, and if I said anything the way I should. So I'm back from the vet with Nugget. He needs antibiotics again, and we take him back to the vet in a week. And the guinea pig cages are cleaned. This is my boys' cage. They're already making it messy, but that's to be expected. And here are my girls. They have their nice clean cage and they're gonna be having some dinner soon. Yes, I know. You're gonna eat. I am almost done with my steps. I'm at 8,500 and I've been playing Just Dance to work out, walking on my walking pad. I had dinner with my family. We had tacos. I said to my mom, like, Mom, I'm depressed. I want tacos. Please make me tacos. So my mom made tacos for dinner. And officially completed with the day. It is 7:30. I was like rushing to get my steps in so I could get in the shower, but I only had like 300 left, and I was like, why am I rushing to get my steps in to get in the shower? Because I'll get 300 steps before the end of the night. So I was just like, all right, I'm gonna get in the shower. So I showered, I got my pajamas on, and I'm gonna relax. And in case I don't vlog again for the rest of the night, I'll see you guys tomorrow. We have a very busy next few days actually, so I'm excited.